Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to show you these cool things that I bought for my pool. So I bought a 16 pack of drink holder floaties. These are so cute. There's different ones like animals, and you have like donuts, and you have a palm tree. They're so fun. It came with an inflator as well, so you're able to inflate all of these. These are made of really good materials so that they are going to last a long time. Your drink is able to stay. They float amazingly too. The good thing about this too is you can always have them if you're having a party or different themes. You can use them for your kids or babies in the tub, just as something that can hold and they float around. They're so cute. I find them so handy. My daughter plays with them. We even use the donut as a frisbee, believe it or not. It's so fun, but that's just my point of view.